Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I want to show the Freelancer website. It is the best website to earn money independently by doing projects. These projects are assigned by client to the developer. Then the developer can work at home for their flexible timings. Then we can see the flow of this website. This is the flow. In this project we have three modules: admin, client, developer. Admin can log in with default credentials like username and password. Client can register with name, email, phone number, password and so on. And developer also register with email, phone number, password, name and so on. So admin can log in and view and verify the clients and also view and verify the developers. Verify means admin can activate their accounts. Then only client or developer can log in through this website. And then admin can add the categories and view the added categories. Categories means just like e-commerce projects, booking system projects, management system projects and so on. And client login through this website and add the projects like project title, project description and project doc he can upload. Then client can view the added projects. Then developer can log in through this website and developer can view the client added projects. If the developer interested, then the developer apply for this project. Client can view the developer applications. If it is okay, then client accept the application, otherwise reject the application. If I accept the application, then client prepare the schedule and view the schedule. Developer can view the schedule. If the schedule timings are okay, then the developer accept the schedule or otherwise reject the schedule. Then the client assign the project to developer. First, client can pay the some amount to developer. Then developer can start the project. If the project is completed, then the developer click on completed button. Then project will be completed. Remaining amount will be sent to the developer. Then client can view the payments and developer also view the payments. Client give the review ratings to developer and developer give the ratings to client. This is the flow. Then we can see the website. This is the Freelancer website. Click on admin. Admin login form will be open. Enter the username as admin and password also admin. Click on login button. This is the admin home page. In this there is no clients, so log out and click on client. Register the client. Enter the client name, client email, and phone number, password, address, about client. Click on register button and you can register the developer also. Click on developer, click on sign up button, enter the developer name, email, phone number, password, and click on register button. Then again log into the admin, because admin can verify their accounts, then only client or developer log in through this website. View clients, then admin can activate their client accounts. Click on verify, status will be changed to verified. And view developers, click on verify button, status also changed. And add the categories, click on categories, enter the category name like e-commerce, click on add. In this same page only you can view the added categories. Click on logout and log into the client. Register email and password. If you can enter wrong password, then in message will be displayed like invalid login details. So you can enter the valid password and valid email. Click on sign in button. This is the client home page. If the client wants to change the password, click on change password button and enter the password. Password will be updated. Client can add the projects. So click on add project. Choose the category, project title, cost, skills, required skills, doc, project doc, description. Click on add. So in this page we can view the added projects. If you can click on view document, then document page will be open. And log out, log into the developer. Enter password. If developer also wants to change the password, then click on change password, enter the password, click on change. Password is updated. And developer can upload their resume. Click on upload resume, upload the resume. Resume will be uploaded. And the developer can view the client added projects here. If it is okay, then developer apply for this project. Click on this button and again upload the resume. Upload. So, and developer and client both can view their applications. This is the application. When click on this hyperlink, developer details will be displayed here. In this we can see developer name, project title and date and status. This is the resume, developer resume. And log out, log into the client, enter the email and password. Then click on view projects. Client can view the developer applications here. If it is okay, you can view the resume. Client can view the resume. If it is okay, then client can accept the developer application and add the schedule for particular application. You can give the date and time. click on add button. Here you can see the schedule also here. Client name, developer name and online project details. You can see the developer details and also see the client details. And log out. Again log into the developer. Developer can view the schedule. If it is okay, then the developer can accept the schedule. View schedule. This time is okay, then developer can accept the schedule, otherwise reject. Accept the schedule. Here you can see status will be changed to schedule accepted by developer. Then log out and again log into the client. So this project is assigned to developer. So the client can pay the amount, some amount to the developer. The projects, view schedules and pay the amount. 10%. Client can pay the 10% amount to developer to start the project. Enter the card number, card holder name, CVV and expiry date. Click on pay amount. Here we can see the view payments. Client name and developer name, project title, amount, date and status. 10% amount is deposited to developer. Log out. Again log into the developer. Enter the email and password. Then he also can view the payments here. See which client is send the amount. Here client name is displayed and developer name is also displayed and which project name also displayed. So if the project is completed, then the developer click on this button, make as complete. So here we can see status will be changed to project completed. Then log into the client. Client can pay the total amount. Enter the password. View projects, view schedule and pay the amount. This is the remaining amount. Enter the card number. Card holder name, CVV and expiry date. Click on pay amount. Again we can see the payments. See total amount is paid. Date, at which date the client can pay the amount. Here we can display the date. If client want to give the review to developer, then click on this link. Review form will be open. Add the review and give ratings to developer. Choose rating and click on add comment. At the same time, developer also give the ratings to client. So log into developer. Enter password. Click on login. Click on view projects and see here we can see the hyperlink. Click on these link. Review for client. Developer give the ratings to client. Review the client and give rating to client. And click on add comment. And log into the admin. Admin can view the projects and view the applications and view the schedules. And also admin can view the payments. So click on view projects. See here admin can view the developer applications and admin can view the schedules added by the client and he can view the payments. Thank you. This is our website.